Hello students. I wanted to make a quick video for you that went over the grading process as your as you complete an assignment in LabSim and you want to pass those grades back into your Canvas environment, into your Canvas gradebook. Now, really there's two ways for the grades to come back. One is for the student, for you as the student to pass those grades back, and the other way is for the teacher to clean up any possible grades that were not passed back. Now, both of these processes use something, an integration called our TestOut EduApp. Please speak with your instructor and make sure that you're using this type of integration before you try this process. So, like I said, that first step is for you as a student. Go into either your assignments or your modules. Once you have your assignments or modules page pulled up, you're going to start to see the assignments in there. All these assignments will have the resource number next to them with the label. This label is the same label that you'll find in your LabSim. Now, as you see all these, you'll need to select these in order for the grades to come back. There's a one-to-one relationship between the assignment and your gradebook. You'd have to select each one in order for the grade to come from LabSim into Canvas. So you'd select 115, you'd go into LabSim, you'd do the assignment, and then you'd come back into Canvas, and that grade should populate. Well, then you need to select 127, do the assignment in LabSim, and the grade will come back into Canvas. And then you need to come back to Canvas, click 144. As you can see, you need to select each of these resources. Now, you can do assignments multiple times, and if that is the case that you want to do an assignment multiple times, then you would need to select the link a second time or a third time in order to pull back either the latest or the highest, whatever your teacher has set up for you. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that oftentimes students, as students, will click into 115 and we'll just stay in LabSim and we'll do multiple assignments. We'll do 127, 144, 145, and not actually return back into Canvas and select those links. You can retroactively come back into Canvas and select those links. And the nice thing about that is then you can do all your work in LabSim and then come back and pull those grades in so that you're not spending your time navigating back and forth between the two different platforms. Now, the second way that you can get grades to pass back is it's for your instructors to do this process. If you want to do that, the instructors will have actually you'll see it here on the left-hand side, this TestOut EduApp. You will not see this as students, but they can go in and they can sync those grades. As long as you've clicked on one assignment, then those grades will be passed back for you. Essentially, we have to create an association, and then from there on, that grade sync for the instructor will clean up everything from there. But like I said, the big difference between those two options are if you did it as a student, you're selecting each link, then you're going to see the grades come back within 3 to 5 minutes. If you wait for your instructor, then you might only see them once a week, once a month, once a semester, however often your instructor wants to pass those grades back. Something to keep in mind if you do not see your grades coming back, possibly you have two LabSim accounts, one that you maybe created from TestOut.com, and also when you select one of these links for the first time, it will create one. You need to merge those two accounts, and you can do that in your profile settings. I believe that's everything. Good luck with your term, and let us know if you have any problems. You can contact our tech support, and we can help you with your grading. Bye.